Network!
I'm Haley.
And I'm Dee. And today we're going to do
Shrinky Dinks using Posca Pens.
Yay! This
is going to be the first time we're using our own Posca Pens.
Now, I've never used these before, but she's a little expert.
Yeah, because at school, almost each day we use them.
I can't believe she's been using these at school all the time. So I'm going to have fun. We're going to do some Shrinky Dinks. The first video I ever did here for the NB Network was Shrinky Dinks. I did Pride Hearts, and I used Sharpies, but this time we're going to use Posca Pens.
Yes.
And we'll let you know how it goes. Yay! And we'll be right back after we aim the camera down on the table.
Yep, and bye.
Hi, I'm back, and right now I just want to go over a few things that we did to get this going. So what we did here was, first we laid out some paper, and we sketched out the Squeezimals that we wanted to do. And then we laid down the Shrinky. Oh, there's our Squeezimals. There's Brenda the butterfly and Charlotte the kitty cat. Okay, back to what I was saying. We laid down the Shrinky Dink paper, the scratchy sanded down surface upright that you draw on, the shiny surface down, and we taped it to the paper so the paper wouldn't slide around. And then we began drawing with our Posca pens. Now our Posca pens we already had activated, and the instructions are on the pens. You shake them and you press the tip down on the paper so the paint gets to the tip. And then you just have to close them up, and then you can just open them up and start using them immediately. Now, what's nice about this is you're using paint. Parents, listen up. I'm telling you, this is a lot less messier than having paints and the water to clean your brushes and going through brushes and paper towels and cleaning up all out of the mess. This is just so much simpler, and it really is a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this. Now, a few little tricks. Haley was smart. She drew on her kitty cat's face and then filled in everything and rolled around it. So the face is going to go through on both sides of the Shrinky Dink and can be seen on the shiny side. While I did my eyes, but I forgot to do the nose and the mouth until the end after I had filled in the face and then filled in where the face was going to go, and then I put the nose and mouth, and it does only show on the one side. You will also notice I have my hair dryer. It is right there, nice and handy. Please keep a hair dryer with your crafts. It is so great when you are painting. You want to be able to continue painting like you would when you were using crayons or colored pencils without having to have long pauses and waiting for things to dry. And that's what your hairdryer does. And the Posca paints dry super fast with just a nice low setting. You don't want to have the air blasting out and have your pens and papers blowing everywhere like a hurricane. And it can also blow some smudges of paint everywhere. So just be careful. And if you make a little mistake, just dry the paint and paint and color right over it with the paint markers, and it'll work just fine. You'll see. And everything comes out looking just so cute. And then you start cutting with scissors. I suggest younger children have your parents do this or an older sibling or friend. Cut them out. I always cut out the major excess of the Shrinky Dink paper off around first. Now, keep in mind the Shrinky Dink paper can be a little sharp around some of the harsher edges when you're cutting, so be careful. And then after I get the excess edges cut off, I then just trim in all the little tiny details. Then you put it in the oven. Make sure that oven is preheated at 325, and it only takes about 1 to 3 minutes. Make sure that the Shrinky Dinks are laid out on aluminum foil or on parchment paper. I used aluminum foil, as you will see in some pictures that I will post.
we're back. But Haley isn't with me right now, which is kind of good, because I'm going to talk about a secret surprise I have for her. But Yes, we did the Shrinky Dinks, and I'm going to show some photos of us when what they look like when I put it into the oven. And you know, we used aluminum foil because I didn't use parchment paper. I find aluminum foil works better for me, but I'm really new with Shrinky Dinks. I haven't done them since I was a little girl, except for the Pride pins, and I'm still, you know, bought some Shrinky Dink paper off of Amazon, and I'm not sure if I like this kind because it kind of curls up a bit, but these Squishimals came out great. Our little Squishimals. And oh yeah, I'm going to put up pictures of the original Squishimals. Let's see, can you get a good picture of how these little guys came out? And I have these cute 2 magnets here. And these magnets, what I'm going to do is put them on the back and then make hang these, and they can be used as magnets now to hold up the kids' stuff. I like to hang things up on the refrigerators for the kids, all their artworks or different awards. And actually we have a wall where we put I have dry erase magnetic boards, and they hang their stuff up on it. Haley wanted hers with the shiny side. I did put a coat of Mod Podge on the one side to seal the Moscow. I used to live in Moscow, Idaho, so Posca Pens. I need some coffee. Like I said, it's early this morning. A reason why we didn't get to finish everything is we got busy with family stuff, and then the next day we were going to try and record. Haley, I've mentioned before, she's been doing stuff, a charity work for these bowls, and this time she went into Ceramica and painted soup bowls, which are going to be part of a soup fundraiser in the fall. And afterwards, my mother-in-law and sister-in-law took her and my niece to the Idaho Food Bank, and they got a nice tour, a tour through the whole food bank, and got to learn about what goes into it, and the whole process of all the food that comes in and the sorting and everything. It was really a good good experience for the girls. I know Haley said she had a great day. It was one of her best days ever, is what her words were. So yeah, and I think changing these Squeezimals into Shrinky Dinks was also fun. And these paint pens, I think they did a great job. They think the colors just came out great. So Sharpie pens, Posca paint pens, fun, definitely indeed. But I do want to talk about a little secret I have here. For Haley and I love to collect squishies, as you know, and because we do have our squishy addiction. And already one package has arrived, a mystery package. Oh, let me get it. Here is the first, I don't want to put my address up. The first mystery package. The very first mystery package I have that Haley doesn't know about. Hey, if she watches this video, she'll find out if the other ones, if we don't film first. But anyway, I got some other packages coming in. Some of them I get from eBay, others from Wish and Squishy Kiosk. And I will post, when we do the video, I'll post the links of where I got the squishies from. So you can, go ahead and get them. If you want to go support these vendors also. I can't wait to see her face when she opens these. And I do have another video of some opening, so I might take the video clips of another mystery package opening that we have and add this to the other video. We might just have a whole bunch of mystery opening of squishies, because we've had some really good luck with some of these recent openings. So thank you for coming to the NB Network. Please like these videos and subscribe to our channels. We really do enjoy making the videos for you guys, and we appreciate the comments we've been getting. We appreciate all the support. You can also find us on Instagram, even on Twitter, but Instagram, I'm always on Instagram. I like Instagram, but you can catch us on Twitter and Facebook, wherever you feel most comfortable. Find us, follow us, and we will be doing a giveaway soon of some squishies and even of some slime. We're going to be making up a whole bunch of slime. You might have seen our previous slime kit, and we're going to be making and producing slimes and giving this away to some of our subscribers. So keep this in mind, and I want you all to know that you're perfect just who you are. Go out there in this world and just spread love and happiness and be compassionate of others, okay? So bye, and I'll see you next time.